Welcome back. In this tutorial, we'll learn about loop else clauses in Python. In this section, we'll explore one of the Python's unique features, the loop else clause, which allows you to execute code only when a loop completes without being interrupted by a break. It's a simple but powerful concept that can make your logic cleaner and more expressive. What is a loop else clause? Let's first understand what a loop else clause is. In Python, the else block attached to a loop runs only if the loop finishes normally. That means no break occurred during its execution. It works with both for and while loops and is often used in search and validation tasks where you want to take some action only if no item was found or no condition triggered a break. Let's see a syntax example. So here we have like for num in range of 5. If num is equal to 3, then it will break. Else print loop completed without a break. So let's run this and see. It's giving us a blank output, right? Because in this case, the else block runs only if the loop finishes all iterations without hitting the break. So here, because num is equal to 3, it has already hidden the break. So now for understanding, if we say like num is equal to 6, which is greater than 5, it is going to give us this loop completed without break output. So Python executes after the loop is completed. So loop else with while loop. The same logic applies to while loop as well. So here's an example. We'll also see. One second, guys. So here, if we see, we have like count is equal to 0, while count is less than 3. Print count. Count plus 1 is equal to 1. Count plus equal to 1. Print loop is finished. So let's see. So we are getting like 0, 1 and 2, which is less than 3, and we are getting like loop is finished. The else block runs after the loop ends because the condition count is less than 3 eventually become false and the loop finishes the naturally without interruption. So why to use loop else? It clearly separates normal loop completion from early termination without using a break. It avoids the need for flag variables like found equal to false. It's perfect for search loops where the else handles the not found scenarios. Using loop else makes your logic more readable and platonic. So let's see one of the real life example here we have in our VS Code. So here we have a list of numbers that is 1, 3 and 7 and it checks whether the number is even or odd. Okay, so let's run this. So it says that no even numbers are found because these are all odd numbers and we were like dividing it by 2 and seeing if it's equal to 4. So let's give it a try. Let's make this 4 here like we are replacing and let's see here we are getting if number, that even number is found as an output. Okay, so to first summarize, we have learned the else block runs only when the loop completes without a break. It works with both for and while loops. It's great for searches, validation, and condition. And most importantly, it helps you write cleaner or more expressive Python codes. Thank you for watching this video.